Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to make slow motion video in Realme phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here there was many different app icon shown in your mobile phone like that. Firstly you have to move up and see there was many different app icons shown in your mobile phone. So firstly you have to scroll down and click on the camera icon. Then you have see this type of app icon in your mobile phone. If you want to know how to make slow motion video, so click on the more option and click on the slow mo. Firstly you have to make a video in the normally first, then save your video. After saving you have to view your photo or video. You have to see your video is and photo, sorry, only video is play in slow speed. So in this way you have to make slow motion video in your mobile phone like that. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video. Thank you so much for watching our video.